So this is my CBR 1100, and I just wanted to show my LED kit that I put on my bike. And this is a really cool kit. It comes with remote controls, key fob. It does all sorts of neat things. Completely wireless. And thing looks like lit up like a Christmas tree going down the road. I can tell you that right now. So I stripped this thing down to the frame, ran all the lights up underneath, and got the wiring tied to and zip tied up against the frame. And I've had this kit now for a while, a couple months, and I mean, I like it. And it does, like I said, it does all sorts of functions. You can change the intensity, color, shading.